Harwood Hutton, we've been around since the 1950s. We're just about celebrating our 60th anniversary. Coincidentally, we have about 60 to 65 people. We've got two offices, one in Beaconsfield, which is very close to Heathrow and is the gateway into the Thames Valley, and the other in central London. Of our 14 partners, 4 are tax, which is very unusual for a firm of our size, but I guess it recognises the sort of work that we do for our clients. Our clients are almost exclusively privately owned, and that doesn't necessarily mean they're UK based. We've got a lot of international clients.
So I mean, it's a great firm. Anna and her team have been very responsive, also very proactive in identifying issues and opportunities. I mean, I would say that there's an element of being able to sleep easy at night. When you know you have a problem, you know that Anna's going to be on the case and she's going to be back to you with an answer or a solution. Which for a business, when you're in a startup mode, when you're working so hard as we do to make the business work, it's really good to know that you have an advisor who's sort of looking after you and looking after your back.
For me, the real noticeable benefit so far has been the level of advice being very clear and very, very quick. So I'm dealing directly with Alistair and Jerry, and no matter what they're doing, they are very, very responsive, and that's exactly what I need, because property is not always the fastest moving of industries, but in certain cases you need to get things done quickly, and Alistair and Jerry have been instrumental in helping me with that.
So the great thing about working with the team at Harwood Hutton right from the outset is that they take care of the elements of the business that we're not experts in, so we can focus on what we're doing, which is designing, making, installing furniture and providing that service what our clients require, knowing that the elements of our business that we're not experts in is taken care of. It's worked today. We've been going 8 years with David and his team now, and we're really looking forward to moving forward and carrying on with the same team, because the continuity of the staff and what they have in their business, likewise with ours, really works.
At Harwood Hutton, they really took their time to understand what was important to us, our business, the expertise that we required, and they've delivered every time on that. Whoever we speak with at Harwood Hutton in our bespoke team that's been created, we get the same fantastic response, the technical input, and it's a real partnership, which is what's important for us and is really working well for MRIB.
On the private client side, we look after individuals and all of their tax affairs. That will cover income tax, capital gains tax, inheritance taxes.
So at Harwood Hutton we have corporate finance specialists and forensic services teams that can help our clients. We've done a lot of work for international clients, so our London landing offering. We have quoted businesses from the US and elsewhere where we have done transactional due diligence reports for them, reported to their board when they've been looking to make investments in the UK. On the forensic side, we're experts in writing reports ready for court or tribunals. We have experts who've given expert evidence in courts and tribunals, who've acted as arbitrators, and who've also acted in expert determination cases. We've got people who are members of the Academy of Experts, Expert Witness Institute. We've also got people that are on the Institute of Chartered Accountants panel for expert determinations. So all in all, we've got a specialist service where we're offering what you can get perhaps from larger firms, but at a firm like ours, boutique firm like ours, our rates we feel are very competitive, and we've got a good offering.